Hi all, I'm making a very quick video to kind of detail this situation I am now in with my Breville Dual Boiler, my espresso machine. So this machine has been having some electrical issues for the past few months. I sent it into Breville 2 or 3 weeks ago for them to kind of look at it and see what they thought. They replied to me about a week ago and they're like, we're really sorry, we tried to fix it, we can't. Here at least is they gave me a coupon for a new machine, as well as they offered to dispose of this machine for me. So I was like, well, bummer. Okay, I'm not gonna buy a new machine just yet because I don't have the money. Plus, I figured I would at least try and fix the issue myself. So I told them that. I was like, sorry, I'd like it back. I might buy a new machine in the future. Anyways, I got the machine back yesterday. And the way that this process worked, for me to mail the machine to Breville, they sent me a separate box with separate packaging. It was just like this foam kind of shell for the machine. So, and they said in the email, if I did not do this, then any damages that occurred to the machine in transit, they were not liable for. So I waited. I did send them the machine in the box. And then I got this back yesterday. So this is a separate box 2 or 3 weeks later. This is actually different packaging. Clearly it's secure, but all that is to say, so I got it out of the box yesterday. And I was setting it all back up, and the steam, this is the knob for the steam wand. I noticed it was, it's kind of like indented into the machine, or the body of the machine, because it should be out substantially more. And I know from experience, I believe there's like there's a valve on the inside of this. What this reads to me is like the machine either fell like in transit. I don't really see like huge marks in that area that would indicate that. There is this, but the knob is more like up here. I don't know. So anyways, because of the nature of this steam wand, the steam wand, I can't even like turn the machine on, because it won't start when the steam wand is open, and it's stuck in an open position. Like I don't want to force it. Like I know I myself could take the machine apart and try and fix this issue and then work on my other issues. But I know for a fact this was caused either by FedEx or Breville. So like, now I have to contact them again. I don't know. It clearly, I don't know. I don't think someone hit it with a hammer, but it certainly, it's in there good. It's stuck. I cannot move that. Yeah. I don't know. Kind of a bummer. I guess I'll wait and see what Breville and FedEx say.